Here's a kid friendly guide to the United States of America. Full name United States of America. Nickname the USA, America, or the US. Government Democratic Republic. President the leader of the country. Check the current name as it changes over time. Capital city Washington DC. Language English, official language for communication. Currency dollar. Location North America. Size the USA is the third largest country in the world by size. Neighbors Canada, North, Mexico, South, and oceans on the east and west, Atlantic and Pacific Ocean. States There are 50 states in the USA. The largest state by area is Alaska, and the smallest is Rhode Island. Famous states California, Hollywood beaches and tech companies, Florida beaches and Disney World, New York, home of New York City and the Statue of Liberty, Texas, known for cowboys and BBQ. Landmarks Statue of Liberty, New York, a symbol of freedom. Grand Canyon, Arizona, a massive, beautiful canyon.